The all-new patent-pending Beard Bro tool can be used to shape and maintain a variety of beard styles. Whether you have a short or long beard, you can be finished in minutes. The Beard Bro has a unique tapered edge design and used to shave or trim over, as well as a curved edge for cheek line and neckline forming. The sides have leveling markings to create symmetry easily. These are located at the upper portion of the tool. Begin by prepping your face and beard for clipping or shaving. Second, place the Beard Bro up to your cheek. Use the leveling markings at a place near your ear that you will use on the other side of your face as well. Pick a location by your mustache and place the end of the comb portion at this point to create your line. Depending on the length of the hairs, shave or clip over the edge, then repeat on the other side. Important that you don't press the tool hard to your face. This will make it difficult to use and unnecessary. Next is the neckline. Flip the tool upside down and slide the Beard Bro down until your neck stops the tool. Hold it in place while you shave or use clippers, depending on the length of the hair and closeness preference. Repeat these steps on the other side and you will have a perfect, crisp beard.